Hello, this is Mrs. Walton. I am on the page you are going to go to complete the assignment of sharing the news article you choose for this week. As I scroll down, I see right here the plus sign where I will click to record my answer. To get to that screen, I'm going to start at the Davis School District homepage. I'm going to choose quick links so that I can go to my shortcuts that I have with Office 365. Every one of these icons is a shortcut to an application or a program. I chose all applications, and now I am choosing Clever. My screen will look different than your screen. Go to our class page, find Flipgrid, click on the Flipgrid, where you will see a screen that looks like this. I'm going to enter the flip code, which happens to be all lowercase Walton 3607. It will ask me to log in and verify that it is me using my Microsoft Office 365 account. I can also see who the author of this Flipgrid is, so that I can make sure that I'm accessing the correct one. And here is the Flipgrid, where I will scroll down and record a response. I'm going to change this code here to last week's code. Walton, all lowercase, 3907, where again, I need to verify with my email account that I am who I say I am. When I scroll down, I can see that there are 4 responses to last week's assignment. So to get to Flipgrid, you need a code. This was last week's code, Walton, all lowercase, 3907. The code for this week is Walton, all lowercase, 3607. I start at the Davis School District homepage. I find quick links. Choose Office 365. Look for my All Apps arrow. Find Clever. Choose our class page and choose Flipgrid, where I will put the code Walton, all lowercase, 3607. This is Mrs. Walton, signing off.